The statute of limitations. If you don't know what it is, in about another minute I hope to make sure that it's clear to you, because it is the most important deadline in the law, particularly for anybody who has suffered an injury. But in any kind of claim that you have, there is almost always a statute of limitations. And the way this statute of limitations works is that there is a deadline, a drop-dead deadline. And if the case is not settled or a lawsuit is not filed by the date of the statute of limitations, all of your rights are lost. Even if the person who caused your injury or hurt you in such a way that made a lawsuit necessary, they admit they're at fault, they admit your damages, they admit everything. Someone can say to you, it is totally my fault, I owe you money, I screwed up, and they can even agree on how much they owe you. If you have not settled with them or had a lawsuit, not just a claim with their insurance company, a lawsuit filed by the date of the statute of limitations, all your rights are lost. So what is the statute of limitations in Arizona? It varies depending on the claim. Sometimes people will tell you there's a 2-year statute of limitations deadline. But did you know in some cases it can be a 1-year statute of limitations? In other cases it could be 4 years or 6, depending on the claim. Some cases, like for a minor, you can have even more than 4 or 6 years before a claim has to be made. A minor meaning someone under the age of 18. But in other claims, there is a deadline, although it's not officially a statute of limitations. It's called a notice of claim. That's less than 6 months, 180 days. So if you have a claim, even if the other side admits they're at fault, even if you know you have a claim, call a competent lawyer. Call an expert in that area. If it's an injury claim, give us a call so we can discuss with you the statute of limitations. Make sure you don't lose your rights because you waited too long.